Is it an issue if sinishare ng partner mo lahat ng problema, pinagdadaanan, lahat sa kaibigan niya?
Oo, issue yun.
Oh, wow. Hi, my
Yes.
name is Joe.
I'm Les Paul.
10 years na kami. This month, magti 10 years na kami.
Yung.
Woohoo!
So yes, issue siya. Sino bang ka-relationship mo? Yung kaibigan
yeah.
mo o yung ka-relationship mo talaga? Di ba, bakit kailangan mo ikwento lahat? What's the purpose? Lalo na yung mga nangyayari sa inyo na hindi maganda. For what? Ano bang maitutulong ng friends? Bakit? Alam ba nila yung nangyayari sa relationship nyo? Completely? Anong kailangan nila na malaman? I mean, here's the thing. If you're abused in your relationship, I encourage you to tell that to your friends.
Yes.
Encourage you to tell that to the proper authorities. Yun ang exception
Agree.
to the rule. Diba? Kasi dyan natin masasabi na you already need help from another person na mas capable. Kasi baka mamaya kaya ka nagsistay sa relationship is because umaasa ka na magbabago. Diba?
Yeah. That's a good point that you said that.
Pero scrapping that away, hindi yan ang pinag-uusapan natin. Just the mere fact na sinishare mo lahat na lang ng bagay. Hindi tama yun. Kasi you have to have that privacy pa rin. You have to have a sense of boundary pa rin.
Yeah.
Diba?
I agree with you. Ako din issue din sa akin yun. Na sinishare lahat ng away. In our relationship, at least ako, never ako nag-share ng away natin sa mga kaibigan natin.
Don't really see the need to do it.
Yeah.
Parang magkakaroon lang ng opinion na
Hindi mo kailangan.
Oo.
Yeah.
You may think na kailangan mo for that moment in time. Kasi kaya mo nga inopen eh. Pero hindi naman lahat ng opinion kailangan mong i-consider, especially in times na ang nagmamatter lang is kayong dalawa. Kayong dalawa ng ka-relationship mo, kayong dalawa ng ka-situationship mo. Ikaw ang mas nakakakilala. 'Di ba? Sila, puro assessment lang sila based on what they think, what is happening from the inside.
Oo nga.
Diba? Yun lang ang alam nila.
Yeah, yun kasi yung mahirap dun eh. That's why I also chose for the longest time not to open up so many things. Like for example, arguments in our relationship sa mga kaibigan ko. It's because I didn't want to hear opinions from them na alam ko naman na mas kilala ko yung boyfriend ko kaysa sa kanila. Yun kasi yun eh. And on top of that, alam ko na kung ano man yung problema nating dalawa, alam kung kaya nating resolbahan. Meron kasi mga ibang tao na nagve-vent sila or ino-open up nila yung problema nila sa kaibigan nila. It's because there are two things eh. Why would you do that? Is it number one, you wanna get perspective? Or number two, kasi gusto mong kunin ng kaibigan mo yung side mo?
Minsan,
diba?
mas madalas yung second eh.
Mas madalas yung second.
Madalas yung second.
Mas gusto mo na ikaw yung
kampihan.
Oo, yung maganda yung tawag doon, yung reputation dun sa inyong dalawa.
Sometimes kakampihan ka not because you're more rational, not because you're right, but because kaibigan ka eh. Paano nun masosolve yung issue mo with your partner? Lalo lang tataas yung ego mo. Because there are people actually amplifying your ego.
I agree, diba? Eto, may isa pa akong tanong on top of this one. Is it an issue na, kunwari, pag kakausapin yung kaibigan mo, is it an issue kapag nag-send ng screenshot ng away?
Yeah, that's a no-no.
No?
That's a
Ako din
no-no.
eh.
Kasi, privacy
Sobra, no?
is
So
always,
precious.
yeah, that's the right word. Privacy is always precious. And at the same time, yun nga, kailangan ng clear boundary between your relationship and your friends. Magkaibang, magkaibang version of you yan.
Yeah.
Huwag mong subukan gawing isa.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi the moment na other people invade yung kung
Space.
anong meron ka sa relationship mo, more likely na not, mag-fail talaga yan. Mag-fail yan. And you would always try to blame it on other people. Pero kung gawain mo to, the only person to blame is you.
Yes. Alam mo, also on top of that, I wanna say then that the reason why it's an issue for me to open up yung mga arguments natin in a relationship with my friends is the fact that once you do that, nag-iiba yung tingin nila doon sa karelasyon mo.
Oo. Tas pagka nagbati na kayo,
100%.
pag nagbati na kayo, makita nila kayo magkasama, may iba na silang tingin doon sa partner mo.
Yeah. And kadalasan yung mga kaibigan natin, di ba? We love them for that. Yung tipong pag meron kang kaaway, for sure, behind your back, soldiers mo sila.
Oh,
Karamay
they take
mo sa
your-
lahat.
oh, they take your side. Yes.
So, syempre, kadalasan yan, mas galit pa nga yung mga kaibigan mo kaysa sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, can you imagine if sinabi mo yung arguments yung dalawang magjowa sa kanila? Syempre, iti-take nila yung side mo, di ba? Yun yung one of the things that I don't like also. That's why I never did it.
Siguro to be the devil's advocate doon sa sinasabi ko kanina. O sige, sabihin natin talagang inclined ka na ikwento sa ibang tao, to your best friend. But make sure na yung taong pagkikwentohan mo is someone that you could actually trust to the point na talagang yung taong yun, hindi ito tolerate kung anong BS man yung sinasabi mo.
Oo, that's
Kasi
true.
that's the definition of a true friend.
Yes.
If that person can correct you face to face, kunwari nagsabi ka, nag-open up ka, nag-away kami ni ganito. Tapos pag narinig ng friend mo na hindi, ikaw naman pala talaga ang mali. Kaya niyang sabihin sa'yo mata sa mata at hindi ka ma-offend doon. 'Di ba? If you can vouch that friend na may ganun kang friend, oy, go ahead. If that's the friend that will give you a clearer perspective, a clearer mind, go ahead. 'Di ba? But again, assess the person na pagkikwentuhan mo. Baka naman mamaya kwento ka lang ng kwento tapos yung type of friends na meron ka wala namang ganto. 'Di ba? Wala namang ganto. Kulang pa sa ganto.
Yeah. Malay mo yung mga pinag-sharean mo ng mga problema niyong magjowa, medyo kulang rin sa experience, di ba? Relationship experience. Yun kasi yun Kaya, I think it also goes with any other issues that you, or any other friends or colleagues na gusto mong pag-ask ng advice. I think, for me, it matters quite a lot if yung pag-askan mo ng advice, may kahit paano may experience.
Yes, oo. Nagmamatter yun. Kayo, how about you guys? Tingin nyo ba, is it an issue kung sinishare mo sa friends mo ang problema nyong magjowa?
Yes.
Let us know.
Let us know.